So it's a Sunday morning and you are struggling with that wrap that you want to take to church. You are struggling with it and you are struggling like no 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 stop now. When I'm here, I got you. You're not going to struggle with that head wrap again whenever you are ready going to church. It's going to be as easy as possible. Let me show you this arc using Ankara material. This is a leftover 1 yard Ankara material. We are still not using pin, we are not using anything, it's just the material, so you don't need to struggle anymore. I got you. I always say I got you. When you are on this channel, you are guided, like guided. So let's dive into it right away. But before we go into the tutorial, subscribe, like hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so that you get aware whenever I post a new video, and share the video to people that you think might still need this video. So let's get into it. Here is my leftover material and it has 4 edges. This is 1, 2, and we have other 2 up here. So you're going to pick any one of your choice, like I just picked here. And what will I do? I'll just give it a knot, like this. I just knotted, simple like that. So in the absence of rubber band and pin, you just knot like this. The knot that you knot, put it inside. Sure you are getting me? And this here, I'm going to make it look bulky by dipping with a scarf to put in there. So I'll just roll it inside flat. That's just it. But if you have your hair on, you don't need that part of it. So you know I told you I'm going to dip this one in, simple as ABC. Put it like this, you get me? So you have this and you have this shorter part. Okay, so just take the shorter part over, round gently like this, and find a way to secure it, either by dipping in. Just use, definitely find a way to secure it. So I'm going to dip it in here like this, and it is well secured. So I have only this. And you don't have to rush whenever you want to tie your head wrap to church. You don't have to feel bothered. You don't have to be like, me, I'm not doing again. Just take this one like this, roll it the way I'm rolling like this. Just roll it in, roll it in, roll it in, roll it in. Don't mind those things. So my tailor did not sew it. Roll it like this, and what you have here is like this, right? Come here, come and dip this one inside like this. Now so you just put it here. So what will you tell people if you are struggling with your head wrap on a Sunday morning? So you shift your what's it called, your wrap backward to show your hairline. Or if you don't like, but I love to shift my backward, it adds that, I don't know, it looks more beautiful when I shift back. And tell me, what do you see? A beautiful wrap for a Sunday morning. Like if you enter church like this, or you enter that party like this, even to party you can rock this. If you concur, tell me in the comments. If you concur that you can rock this to the party, you can let me know in the comments. So what are we saying? Look at the back, and here is the front, guys. Very simple. Tell me in less than 2 minutes you are done with this. So don't let me hear that you are struggling with that head wrap again on Sunday. I don't want to hear it. Or whenever you want to tie your wrap to a party and you have like a yard Ankara material, this is one of the styles you can try out. So guys, if you have watched to this length, I believe you love what you see. If you haven't subscribed, hit on the subscribe button, share this video, give it a thumbs up to support this girl. It costs you nothing. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share to people that you feel might need it. And guys, do not forget that your wrap is your crown. I will always say that it is your crown, and whenever you are wearing it, make sure you are putting on a smile and look like that queen that you are. And guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.